vlog number 2 of the moving series. And yeah, so your girl is just day by day trying to take it all in. I have not officially moved in, like literally all my stuff yet. I believe I'm gonna try to move in 2 weekends. So 2 weeks from now, August 1st weekend, I'm gonna try to officially move all my stuff in from my other apartment to this one. But I've been slowly transitioning some stuff in here, and if I buy something new, I literally like get it delivered straight to here. So yesterday I came and I cleaned the apartment, literally scrubbed the kitchen, which was a little filthy actually, and then I also scrubbed the bathroom. I still have some work to do in there because I just need to purchase a couple of things that I want to like help clean and stuff, and I just been slowly like buying little things like shower curtain liners and like, you know, all that type of stuff, shower stuff. And then I actually placed an order for a queen size bed frame, a new one, so I'm really excited. That's coming from Amazon. Also some beautiful curtains that are going to match this really beautiful chair. And does this look familiar? Because if it does, it should. I already have this chair, but I wanted to get another one so that I can have 2. I also got some patio furniture, which I'll show you guys. I'm still deciding on it because I really feel like it's too neutral and it really matches or blends in with the balcony. I got this huge canvas from the thrift store literally yesterday, and I want to do my own like artwork on there, so it's a little DIY that I'll probably film and show you guys. But I want to have this really beautiful like gallery wall. I'll show you the patio in a second, but I also did something else that's really cool. So in my like closet area, I showed you guys this in the first vlog, but I got these storage bins from HomeGoods. I was just telling my friend, like literally I think I could have got these from the Dollar Tree and saved some money. These were a 4 set, so literally all 4 of these were in a set, and obviously all 4 of those and all 4 of those. And so the 2 larger ones were $16, and then the middle one was I believe $12. So honestly, 3, 6, 9, 12. I probably could have just bought all this for $12 from the freaking Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree and see what they have, and if they have exactly like something similar to this, I'm taking these back, y'all, because that was literally like $40 on these when I can really just spend like $12, $14, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I think I just but I mean, I realized my mistake. It's okay because I definitely still have all of the packaging right here. Yeah, I think I got a little excited. I was like, oh yes, I need something to organize the pantry or, you know, linen closet area. But y'all, no. So this is the patio set, and like I said, it is this like gray colors. You can tell the bottom concrete area is a gray, the bars are black, so it's just very neutral. And I know that I'm gonna like try to spice it up some with some greenery. I definitely want to get some plants. It was a really great price. So the table itself, I haven't taken the tags off because I'm still trying to figure it out, but the table was $40, and then the 2 chairs are $40 as well. So not a bad steal for a whole little set basically. Yes, chair. This chair is giving. First of all, this chair is so beautiful because it is this really rich color. I feel like because of the lighting, because of the natural lighting, it's not showing how emeraldy, rich, beautiful green it is. But oh my God, it's so cute. I just love it. So yeah, so I'm happy that I got this one in the space. I cannot wait till all my stuff is in here, y'all, like literally. But yeah, so I'm about to probably head out. I've spent the time that I can here and it's time to go. I'm about to head out. The lighting is real weird right now. I have been selling a lot of stuff on OfferUp, which has been really great, and that's been allowing me to actually buy new things. Like I sold my over the toilet storage shelving unit. I sold a cart. I sold my dining, or my coffee table. So that allowed me to be able to get my patio set, get all of this other random stuff that I've been buying that I've been realizing that I need. I haven't sold anything on Facebook Marketplace, but I have posted on there and I've gotten inquiries, but nobody's like took the bait, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know, it's just on there or whatever. But OfferUp has usually been a really great place for me to sell all my stuff. I gotta head home. Like I said, I'm gonna hold a Target. I need to head home. I'm about to go out tonight because I have been working all weekend and I need a drink. I need a cocktail. I need to wind down, okay? But see you guys in my next moving vlog. Literally, like, this is exciting. Peace out.